My mystery box from Duel Autocare. New wheel brush, U-brush I believe it is. Goes behind the spokes, lovely. Flex, absolute goat. I mean it's a little bit squished but that should be fine. Nice waffle glass cloth. Spray bottle. Oh, a bit windy, put that back on there. Glass cleaner. Superb. Unbelievable wheel cleaner. Can't beat a bit of salt. Find that goes well with some, there you are, nitty gritty. Yeah, tend to mix them together, especially in sort of autumn, winter when it gets a bit grey. Wheel microfiber mitt. Tire and trim dressing. Shampoo. Stuff smells incredible by the way. We've got a nice dual air freshener. Very good though. That's about it. And bottle tops as well. Nice dress. There we go. £100 mystery box. Total value £136.27. Good bargain.